So it says here, finally use string interpolation to set the text of the paragraph element to decimal to binary, parentheses, and this interpolation of string where current val is the input val. So all we have to do is to copy this, and we don't need a string interpolation. Just have to copy it because there is already a string interpolation in there. It also says here where the current val, which is this, is the input val property of the current object. Okay, so it's a property of the current object. So we have, rather than current val, it should be written as current val because the instruction says so.